Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is the answer of HSK for another mock test. So let's start. The first is Xian salty. Xian salty. So I can use the rule Inoue shenma shenma sui. Inoue yan fang tola. It's because too much salt was added. Sui tang. Tang means soup. Yo there little bit. Xian la salty. Inoue yan fang tola. Yan means salt. Inoue yan fang tola. Sui tang yo there xian la. It's because too much salt was added, so the soup is a bit salty. You can make sentence like this also. Yan fang tola. Tang yo there xian. Too much salt was added, so the soup is a bit salty. The next one is lychee. Lychee means strength. So make sentences like that. BEB, compare. Kan, look, she, who, the, lychee, the plus noun. Lychee, the, BEB, kan, she, the, lychee, the. Compare and see who is stronger. The next one, yan cheng, means develop. 应该养成每天刷牙的好习惯. You should develop a good habit of brush your teeth every day. 应该 should, 养成 develop, 每天 every day, 刷牙 brush teeth, 的好习惯 习惯 means habit, 好习惯 good habit. The next is 经历 经历 means experience. 他的经历非常丰富. His experience is very rich. 经历 means experience. 非常 very 丰富 rich. 抱 means hold or hug. So 他抱着一只小狗. She is holding a little dog. 抱着 it's continuous holding. 一只 is a major word for 小狗 for little dog. So that's all for today. Bye bye.